Well, getting a breaking update as far as the Meghalaya BSF and the Bangladeshi border guards have been discussing the border safety amid the unrest. And in the light of going on the ongoing political situation that has been developing and has been quite volatile in neighboring Bangladesh, the commandant of the 193 Battalion of the Border Security Force in Meghalaya met with the commanding officer of the 28 Border Guard Bangladesh to discuss the border security issues. We have Pradeep Datta with us. Pradeep, help us understand as far as our forces and Bangladeshi forces are also concerned. Open communication is necessary in the light of the very volatile situation that is being witnessed in neighboring Bangladesh.
Yes, you're absolutely right. The situation in Bangladesh continues to remain volatile, though the interim government has taken over. But still, the violence-related incidents are still being reported from that area. That's one of the reasons we have seen in recent past that there have been several instances where the people wanted to cross over to this side, and DGP of the BSF had also to camp in that area. So in order to ensure that no such migration crisis takes place, so all those measures are being taken in this regard. As you rightly said, the 193 Battalion BSF officer, he met with the other commanding officers there on the ground and asked them to ensure the safety and safety of the Indo-Bangla border is maintained, because they are trying to have the communication with their counterparts in the Bangladesh side also, because they are trying to tell them that no such thing should happen. They have to also ensure that people should not come closer to the border. In all the 3-4 instances where the people came closer to the border, somehow the BSF was able to ensure that none of them were able to cross over to this side, because in 1971, the government of India has already witnessed a crisis where millions of people crossed over to this side, and till date they are facing the problem of that thing. So this time they do not want anything of that sort to happen. So the communication channel, as you rightly said, is open between the BSF and the border guards from the Bangladesh side, and they are trying to tell
peaceful exchange of communication that is being done to maintain safety and security when it comes to the borders between India and Bangladesh. Pradeep Datta, thank you very much for joining in.